Namaste, yogis. Good morning. Welcome back to India Desiree Yoga. I'm India, if you're new here. Hit subscribe now and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on this daily content. Today's video will be all about the breath. Know that if you missed day one, head over to that video now. I'll have that up above me for you to easily access. Day one was about the cure for anxiety, and we went through Matthew 6:25 through 34. Today, I thought it would be appropriate if we focus on the breath, because the breath is an amazing tool that we can use to calm our body and allow ourselves to have the concentration to get out of a space that makes us anxious. So, started into today's video. Pranayama is deep, conscious breathing, and it has a centering and calming effect and often helps to heighten our level of concentration. Today's reading prompt and journaling prompt will be in the description box below so that you can easily access that once this video is over. Today's intention of our breathing practice is affirming ourselves to get out of an anxious space, using our breath as a tool to calm our bodies and center ourselves to be in the present moment. As we begin and enter into this pranayama breathing practice, I am gonna read off a few affirmations that you can hold on to as your intention for today's breath practice. Repeat to yourself: I am worthy, I am safe, I am centered, I am loved. Wherever you are, you can be in your bed, you can be in your couch, you can be on your mat. Close your eyes and bring a small smile to your face. Relax the muscles in your face completely by separating your teeth, relaxing the space in between your eyebrows, and take a long breath in through your nose. Open mouth, exhale, breathe out. Roll your shoulders up towards your ears and back away. Take a few moments to just roll your shoulders back and away from your ears. Stay connected with your breath. And as you inhale and exhale, start to roll your shoulders forward, up and away towards your ears. Start to find a few neck rolls. Inhale, lift your chin up towards the ceiling. Exhale, roll your neck around towards your left shoulder and come back through center. Inhale. Exhale, right shoulder, right ear. Roll your neck over and breathe out. Inhale, back to center, lift up your chin. Exhale, roll left ear, left shoulder. Inhale, back to center, chin towards your chest. Exhale, right ear, right shoulder. Inhale, breathe in, back to center, chin up towards the ceiling. Exhale, come to a neutral space with your chin slightly in line with your chest. Keep your eyes closed, wiggle your seat and get glued into your space that you're in. Know that you can feel free to recline down on your back in whatever space you're in and start to notice the rise and fall of your chest. So place your right hand on your left hand on your heart and your right hand on your belly and start to breathe and notice the rise and fall of your chest. Take a big breath in through your nose. Open mouth, exhale. Another breath in. Open mouth, exhale. As we enter into this space that is calm and centered, I am going to offer an opportunity for you to use the 10 count breathing method that will help you come to a place of ease whenever you're in a space that is driven by worry, fear, and anxiety. So on your inhale, say 1. And on your exhale is 2. So as you breathe in and out through your nose, count to 10. So I'll give you 2 rounds of the example, and then the 3rd through 5th round, you will practice this on your own. So inhale 1, exhale 2, inhale 3, exhale 4, inhale 5, exhale 6, inhale 7, exhale 8, inhale 9, exhale 10. Inhale 1, exhale 2, inhale 3, exhale 4, inhale 5, exhale 6, inhale 7, exhale 8, inhale 9, exhale 10. Repeat this 3 more times on your own, inhaling on the odd number and exhaling on the even number, counting up to 10 and repeating 3 times through. Take a long breath in through your nose. Exhale, let go. We'll enter into 5 I ams to remember you are free from anxiety. Inhale, I am. Exhale, worthy. Inhale, I am. Exhale, safe. Inhale, I am. Exhale, covered. Inhale, I am loved. Inhale, I am calm. Exhale. Again. Inhale, breathe. Exhale, I am worthy. Inhale, I am. Exhale, safe. Inhale, I am. Exhale, covered. Inhale, I am. Exhale, loved. Inhale, I am. Exhale. Calm. Know that you can stay in this still space. Come back to your 10 count breath. Come back to the 5 affirmations. But as we close out, we will close out in prayer. Take a long breath in through your nose. Open mouth, exhale. Lord, I come to the mat to be trained by your words, steadied in spirit, and corrected in truth. As I breathe into these postures with my body, let me breathe your sacred words with the same sort of intentionality, purpose, and discipline. Help me not to skip passages or poses that seem challenging or routine, but to find gratitude for each opportunity to grow. I listen to Proverbs 13:3. She who guards his and her lips guards his and her life. Yes, before I speak or act, please help me to seek your will, God, by connecting to you, our Father, through my breath. Amen. Thank you guys for practicing this breath meditation with me today. Enjoy the rest of your morning or evening or afternoon. Namaste. Amen.